there's three types of matter, right? Solids, liquids, and gas. And what did you guys say the stool was? Solid. And the water from the water fountain? Liquid. And the air around us?
Gas.
Gas. So there's three types. And Anders, what did you say about the fourth type?
The fourth type could be plasma.
So people think that plasma is the fourth type as well, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You guys are going to think I'm crazy when I ask this, but have you guys ever heard of the myth that if you eat Pop Rocks and drink Coke, your stomach will expand?
Yes,
and it can explode? You guys have heard about that? So, what happens, do you think? What do you think happens with that? Jake?
Both of these things are carbonated.
Okay.
And if you drink and eat both of them, they might react with each other and putting out a lot of carbon dioxide inside your stomach, which causes it to expand. And plasma is an ionized superheated gas.
Well, yes. Perfect. Good. So the one word I really liked in there was react. Because these things can have reactions with one another, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what happens what's a reaction that you guys can think of with matter that might include water? What can happen? Can water take on the different forms?
Yes.
What is it in its solid form?
Ice.
Its liquid form is
Water.
And the gas?
Evaporation.
That is the evaporation, right? So it can have interactions that would cause it to change form. So what we're going to work on today with our little experiment that we're going to do outside, which I'll talk to you guys about in a minute, we're going to have Coke. So Coke is a
Carbonated
liquid. Good. And we'll also have Sprite, which, same thing. So they're both going to be a liquid. And what do you think the Pop Rocks represent?
Solid.
Solids. And Jake, what did you say they would turn into when they were together?
CO2.
CO2, which is?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, which is a?
Gas.
Gas. Perfect. So we're going to see how a solid and a liquid interact to make a gas. How we're going to do that, we're going to go outside, not now, but in just a minute. And I've got Sprite and Coke. I'm going to break you guys up into 4 groups. And 2 groups are going to be testing the Sprite, and 2 are going to be testing the Coke. And what you're going to see is what happens. I'm going to have balloons. You're going to have Pop Rocks in the balloons. Put those over and dump the Pop Rocks into the soda bottle. And then you're going to see the reaction. What happens to that balloon? Okay? So we're going to test that outside. So I'm going to break you guys into 4 groups. We're just going to do it by table. So this group right here, you're going to be group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, and group number 4. These 2 groups are going to be my Sprite groups, and these are going to be my Coke groups. Robbie? You're going to leave the balloon on there. Once we get outside and actually have everything with me, it'll be easier to show you. So I can do like a little demonstration without everything. So we can do that, okay? So once we get outside, I do need one person from each group to take a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay? And you guys are going to be the recorder for the group. And we're actually going to tie in the scientific method, which you guys have worked on a lot over this past month with your science fair projects. We're going to tie that in, and you guys are going to make a hypothesis about what you think is going to happen. Do you think the Coke is going to have a stronger reaction and produce more gas, or the Sprite? Maybe they're going to be equal. Maybe it's not going to blow up. Maybe the balloon is going to blow up with gas. So we're going to do that once we get outside and get everything ready, okay? Does anybody have any questions before we go outside and I show you guys everything? Think we got it?